Magic, right? Gone. This is what we already cleaned. Boom, clean. Now we are here. Where is it? There. Can you hear the noise? I don't know what it is, but we're going to take it off. Check it out. There. It's very stubborn. See, the product is very strong. It's even taking the skin out. Yeah, it's very hard. Let's put some more. Where's my clothes? Okay, much better.